I have been seeing so many videos of this. If you use this sound, I'll comment on your video. So, if every other YouTuber is doing it, well, smallish YouTubers, or like really small YouTubers are doing this thing, then comment on this video. I mean, use this. Use this video sound, and I will comment on your video. Yep. It doesn't matter if your phone's facing down or the camera's facing down and I can't see shit. It doesn't matter. Create a video with this sound, and I will comment on your video. I don't know what I'll say. Probably just hi or something. I don't know. If there's a lot, I might just comment hi. But yeah, use the sound. Thank you.